Hey, welcome to the video. In this video, we will be modeling this piece. First, I delete the default cube and I just add a plane. Not plane actually, I will add cylinder. And then I insert the faces and bridge edge loops. Yeah, enough, I guess. Then I will select the faces. I'm focusing this part right now. Okay, it's enough. Anyway, then I will continue modeling this part. And I will just delete the below faces because I will be mirroring this. By the way, I want to set the origin to this cursor. I have two options. One is set origin to 3D cursor, and second is control and dot. If you select this, you have the ability to move the origin point. So you can place it anywhere where you like. Anyway, now I will add a mirror modifier in Z axis, by the way, this time. You should also tick the clipping. Yeah, it's nice. I just applied the mirror modifier because I will be mirroring in this axis. This time I will use the Hardops mirroring, but you can go here and mirror it in the y-axis. As you can see, there is kinda some mismatch. It's just because of the mirror modifier. But anyway, we can fix it. It's okay. Anyway, I try to align this to this point. To do so, you need to go this place and select vertex and then active. And if you have an active vertex, and if you just press the G twice or G Z, it will move in the Z axis. And if you control and click to one vertex that you like to align, you can align it easily. I think we can go a little. Anyway, now this part. I will add my cursor to this point and add a circle and adjust it. And now I just copy this same pattern to that place. But they are all separated right now. I mean, if I go and press L in face mode, as you can see, they are separated. So I just press merge by distance. I just selected one face in this part, and right now I just need to press FFF many times until it reaches to the end. Yeah, it's okay. Now for this circle we are working right now. Yeah, enough I guess. By the way, if as you can see, if I scale it, it's kind of scaling in between, so it's kind of inflating it. To avoid this, you just need to press dot and select individual origins, so each circle scaled on its own. Yeah, it's okay. I just put an indentation, and now I just bridge edge loops. Then select the maybe we can go some smaller. Yeah, and I just extrude faces along normals, as you can see. Yeah, let's finish. Yeah, you can do your further adjustments. I just add the auto smooth